Getting CashApp in Europe is really easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use CashApp in Europe. So for that you have to install the CashApp application by using a VPN. So for that I'm using this tunnel beer. Start to open up this VPN. After that you have to log in. Now after logging in you have to select on tap on this little arrow and then you have select United States. After that you can easily install the CashApp application in your mobile. So for the ad you have to go to your browser and you have to search for. So if I search for that, as you can see, I will be able to see these options. You just have to you can easily install that from the Play Store apps. For after installing the CashApp application you have to open up your CashApp application. As you can see, this is the CashApp. So and if you want to put the phone number. Now here the real part is right here. You just need to have an American friend that have a spare simulation. Tell them that give your email, give your phone number. If you try to put your email, it will ask you for the phone number. So you definitely I need a phone number. You just need to tell your American friend that give you your phone number. After putting the phone number you will easily be able to create an account for the Cash app and use in Europe. So that's pretty much it. That's how I guess can do it. Hope it gets. Find this to the app for